A ramp plate patch is applied inside the ramp plate, as its name like one sticking plaster. Design-wise, it's important to adhere to the transmission ratio range specified by the manufacturer as possible. The smaller the thickness requirement is better. Excessive thickness may impede the car's startup, while insufficient thickness shortens the patch's lifespan. For longevity, selecting materials with smoother surfaces enhances durability. As highlighted in the previous video, sharp burrs on the ramp plate can lead to rapid wear onto weight rollers. A rough surface on the ramp plate can also accelerate the wear of weight rollers and increases energy consumption from centrifugal force. Applying a patch inside is one solution to mitigate these issues. The primary advantage of using a ramp plate patch is to prolong the lifespan of weight rollers, ensuring a slower decline in performance over time. Additionally, it reduces energy consumption by the roller's thrust, as it decreases friction resistance on the ramp plate surface, resulting in smoother gear shifts. There are 8 places that need to be bent. It is recommended to use a combination pliers. The ideal folding line is here. Considering the bending curvature, you have to go a little further forward. After bending, the components can be gradually and manually adjusted in sequence until they fit completely with the ramp plate. Select a glue that can withstand high temperature, and not to be overly flow like water. Depending on how long it takes for the glue to dry, we may need some clamps to apply pressure, like this tool clamp or paper clamp.